In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Amazon account on Twitch. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Twitch account. And once you're here, head over to your profile icon and click on it. Then head down to settings. Now under settings, go ahead and choose this option connections. And under this, you can see we have various platforms and services that you can connect to your Twitch account. One of them is Amazon, and you can see it is here. You're told connect your Amazon account. To connect your Amazon account, go ahead and click on connect here. So you have to note that when you connect your Amazon account, Twitch may access the profile information connected to your Amazon account, including your name, email, Prime status, as well as other order details. But the good thing is Twitch will not publicly display your Amazon account information. To connect now, click on connect, and you'll be redirected to sign up or to link your Amazon account through a pop-up window where you'll have to sign into your Amazon account. Here, enter your Amazon email to connect and finalize. Once you're done, now your Amazon account will be connected to Twitch. So that's how you can connect your Amazon account on Twitch. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.